They ask why I talk like this and why I walk like this. The press is dying for me to slip because I express myself in a manner that is raw. I don't know why they expect me to be Danny Tanner, cause in real life he's a bastard. And I'm not an actor, so I'm not a character. Did that ever occur to your mind? You should think about it, actually think about it if you want, cause I'ma pump it up, matter of fact, dumb it down for you clowns. Cause now I can't be me, apparently because they said so. But I ain't got dough, so what am I to talk about? You tell me, but I'm not gonna listen. So I'ma tell you, if you wanna do something, to do it, because I am very fluid at my craft. They can't tell me no, that I gotta go, cause me leaving ain't about to happen. There's no rapping pension, no retirement in my profession. I'm trying to get y'all people to listen, cause I ain't trying to lose this, I got it made.
I never word to my mom, a word to the song. My flow's in the sky like up and beyond. Verbs tightly sewn. Nowadays every rapper smokes cess. Now don't you see something wrong with this? All American rhyme spitter. Mom suffering from a bad liver. You can feel it every time that I deliver. Not the hottest yet, but always enough to make them shiver, quiver, whatever. I am only a true MC, trying to make my rapping better. So opposite of cool guy, but nope, I don't smoke, don't do dope, don't get high. I'm a man with no wings, but still I can fly. Just give me a beat and paper, and I will define what rappers call time. Nope, I'm not lying, no contract signed yet. Pretty soon, definitely you can bet. Yeah, these are the words that I meant. AM.
Now I'm divine, one of a kind, wondrous mind. When it was mine, hip hop in my thunderous lines. I said it hundreds of times. I cool on fly, I'm dopeness. Defeating me is hopeless, like smoking weed or smokeless, or getting drunk with focus. I'll go on back to Salem and fucking that bitch from Hocus Pocus. I think her name was Sarah Jessica Parker, but wait, I can't be farther or further from the point I'm trying to murder. I'm spitting with such fervor, you soft like a silly soda, and I'm burning like a curler. In baseball, I'm a hurler, a brand new monster that you never ever heard of. A lyrical arson, and no, I'm no Martian. I'm spitting every day like I'm Carson. Oh, you thought you was bossing? What is this costing you for me to be scorching your entire squadron, cooking in the cauldron? Y'all niggas tunas made from the dolphins. Get back in your coffins, your permanent apartment. Cause say a word to me and I'ma start my starting.